Ladies and gentlemen, Greg Michalowski from ForexLive.com. Today's date is December 4th, 2023. This is a Forex quick look at the Aussie versus US dollar. The Reserve Bank of Australia will announce their interest rate decision later in the new trading day, I should say. The expectations are for unchanged policy. Remember, the Reserve Bank of New Zealand also kept their rates unchanged last week when they met, but they're a little bit more hawkish in their comments, and that helped to at least push the New Zealand versus US dollar to the upside, and we closed near the highs, I guess, of last week for that currency pair. We are a little bit lower today, but the Aussie versus US dollar also moved to a new session high, or a new high, I should say, going back to this day right here, which is August 1st. That in trading here today, we extended above the high prices from last week's trading, and in the process, we moved closer to the 50% retracement level. That's of the 2023 trading range. That's this high going back to the month of February. February to the low price that we saw in the month of October. The 50% retracement comes in at 0.67134, and that is going to be a target on the top side if the Reserve Bank of Australia is a little bit more hawkish, I guess, and pushes the price to the upside, and we need to get above that level at 0.67134 in order to increase the bullish bias. But as you can see, the price is down. We are seeing lower stock prices and risk-off sentiment probably weighing on the price of the Aussie versus US dollar. On the downside, we have the 38.2% retracement on this daily chart at 0.6608. Below that, we have the 200-day moving average. And in trading in the month of November, the price did move above that 200-day moving average on this day right here. That was the first break above the moving average going back to the month of July. So getting above that level and staying above that level is more bullish. We did move down below the 200-day moving average on Thursday's trade, as you can see right here, but the market rebounded, closed higher, and moved higher on Friday and into today. So the 200-day moving average at 0.65792 is going to be, if the 50% is on the top side, the 200-day moving average is on the downside, that the price would need to get to and through to increase the bearish bias. Ahead of that 200-day moving average is the 38.2% retracement at 0.66087. Let's take a closer look at the hourly chart, see what's in play there. And what we can see in trading here today, the price did move below the 100-hour moving average. Now that has not been unusual. We moved below it on Thursday. We moved below it on Friday on a number of different occasions, as you can see. But in trading here today, the price spike only lasted one bar before the price moved back above that moving average. So our buyers trying to be in play here. We'll see. The current 100-hour moving average comes in at 0.66326. If we can hold that level as we are trying to do in the current hourly bar, that would be to give the buyers some comfort. If we break back below it, it would look more like these breaks right here, at least, and close below. It would be more like those breaks right there. Now, on the downside, the 200-hour moving average and this trend line connecting the low right here, or the lows right here to this low right here, come in around the same level at 0.66039. So get below those levels, get below the 0.66 level, would increase the bearish bias and have traders looking toward the 100-day moving average, as we alluded to, or 200-day moving average alluded to on the daily chart, currently comes in at 0.6579 level. So watching the 100-hour moving average here for close intraday clues. Break back below that level, look for the 200-hour moving average and trend line near the 0.66039, and then look toward the 200-day moving average of 0.6579. Alternatively, stay above the 100-hour moving average, and we can go and test these high price from last week's trade, and then look for the high price up here before we start to look then toward the 50% retracement. Once again, the level comes in at 0.67134. So there you have it, a detailed look at the Aussie versus US dollars. We head toward their interest rate decision in the new trading day on Tuesday. My name is Greg Michalowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.